So in this video we'll be covering the comment and reaction controller together because they are interrelated. So let's first dive into the comment controller. So the basic concept is that users can comment the recipe, and the other users can react to that comment. So the basic structure is that a recipe will have list of comments, a single comment will be having list of reactions, and this list of reactions, the item of in the reaction will have a second level of list of reaction, and it goes up to the third level. So it's basically similar as like we see the reactions in Facebook when one user posts something, and there are multiple nested lists of reactions. So I'm planning to have a similar type of listing in Android app as well. So um, so in that particular manner I have designed this. To achieve that functionality I have um, used means I'm not storing actual entity into an entity. I'm just storing the id for the means in a nested way. So if the list of the comments will have um, only the ids of the reactions, and these ids will be having child reaction ids up to third level. And whenever the response will be given to the user, I have used a well-known method named populate, which is used by node.js community. So it's a quite popular method which it basically um makes management of such tasks very simple. Means it fetches the entities internally, it fetches the entities of the id regarding the id, and we just have to pass the model, what type of model it is. So and we need to also structure the entity in a similar way, which like here is the comment uh, entity. And let us first cover the entities of comment and reaction. So in order to make the populate function work, uh, we need to specify, I need to structure the entities in a similar way. So here I have been passing the array of the object IDs of reaction. So whenever I call populate on this field, the reaction object list will be fetched by populate internally. And similarly I have managed over here the reaction will consist of sub list of reactions. So I have called populate on this field. So the list of the reactions will be populated in the comment. So that's how it works.